Here's the way the game works. It's like musical chairs, but instead of diving into empty chairs, we're grabbing these red cups of beer. When the music stops, one person will be left empty-handed. They're out of the game and have to hang out with our DJ, DJ Carol Spinney up there. Hey, Questlove, how are you doing, buddy? Now we're going to do 5 rounds. He's so interested in this. The last one standing is the musical beers champion. Okay, everybody, space yourselves out and good luck.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Yeah. Down. Don't let her fake you out by being nice. Why are you that confident, Ryan?
Get out of here.
No! I'm out! Katie Holmes! Ripping it from the hands of Deadpool!
A seasoned drinker! A seasoned drinker!
That was fantastic!
My God!
All right, go up there and press
Oh my gosh, that's action!
Rigged! Oh, it's nice to be here.
Thank you, Higgins. There you go. Oh my God, that was great. I want to be by Katie. She scares me now.
I know.
Cook it away.
Get out of there. Come on now.
I have no option at all. Oh my gosh. Katie Holmes is the beast. She's fantastic at this.
I see her technique, though.
Oh, I got you. All right.
She guards
I'm
it.
watching now. Here we
She
go.
guards it.
Only 3 cups left. I'm rooting for Katie. Get the cup. Maybe now. No, not yet. Maybe. Go, keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't look at Katie Holmes. Whoa!
Amazing!
You are the best.
She's amazing!
She is the best. Look at the cup. Oh my gosh, she crushed it. All right, yeah, all right. Oh. Katie, come on. Katie, come on. 2 cups left. 2 cups left. Here we go. Don't move the table! All right, here we go. This is it right here. This is it. You are awesome. This is it. The final cup. The final countdown. You had a good run, man.
But you can't
Here we
move the
go.
table.
All right, good luck, pal. This is it. No slip. Don't slip. Don't slip. There's beer everywhere.
Watch your feet. Watch your feet.
Oh my God! No! No!
That was amazing, though. Beckham of drinking. That's amazing, right?
I'm gonna give the win to Katie Holmes right there.
Absolutely.
Good job.
Absolutely.
You are unbelievable.
Really good.
Our thanks to Ryan Reynolds, Katie Holmes. The game works like musical chairs, but instead of diving into empty chairs, we're grabbing these red cups of beer. When the music stops, one person will be left empty-handed. They're out of the game and have to hang out with our DJ up there, DJ Jonathan Hamburger. Now, we're going to do 4 rounds. The last one standing is the musical beers champion. Okay, everybody, space yourself out and get ready. Oh, really? There?
Which way are we walking?
Why are you that way?
Okay.
Yeah, all right. Don't look at me. Don't touch it. Sebastian, damn it. Ah! Paul, I love you.
And you're the tallest.
Barely knew you.
English. This can't happen.
And your limbs are
I'm
much
English.
longer.
This can't
my
happen. This can't happen. Exactly. Thank you, Tariq.
Wow.
Oh, that was rough. Sorry about that,
Spread out
Paul.
it.
Sorry about that, Paul.
That's a long distance that way. You gotta drink that, baby. I'm glad to lose. I don't know if you really won there, Jimmy. I really don't think you won. I'm really scared.
That's where they are?
Drink! This is not Damn it!
I tried.
Oh, God.
Y'all ready for this?
We already made out.
I feel like we already made out. Yeah, this is pointless at this point.
Our thanks to Jeremy Renner, Elizabeth Olsen, Paul Bettany, and Sebastian Stan.
Hey, hey.